Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to upload reactjs project on cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in this website where I found a guide that perfectly explains how to deploy or host your React app with cPanel in under 5 minutes. Diving right in, while working on a personal project called Punch Started, a Kickstarted cloned clone app, I struggled to find any good documentation on how to host a custom app on my own domain with cPanel. I hope this will serve useful to many. First step, purchase a domain and hosting. To host a website, you'll need to purchase a registered domain name and a hosting plan from a hosting provider. If you buy them together, these providers will typically point the domain to your hosting server automatically. If not, this tutorial can help you out. The second step is add the homepage to your package.json file. Next, open up your React app, open up your package.json file, and add homepage attributes like so. The format should be like this. Create the build file. In your application's root directory, run yarn install to install the updated dependency. Once this has finished, the next command you will run is yarn build npm install and npm build work too. You'll notice this creates a new directory in your project called build. The build folder is essentially a super compressed version of your program that has everything in your browser needs to identify and run your app. Connect to cPanel, and once you connect to cPanel, add the build file content to public HTML. After that, create and upload the .htaccess access file. After that, you are super done. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.